In the east of Sierra Leone is Gola Forest, Sierra Leone's largest rainforest area. Since the 1990s, Gola Forest has been part of a conservation project with the Government of Sierra Leone, the Conservation Society of Sierra Leone, and the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. It's a fairly off-grid location for those that enjoy adventure. I arrived in Gola Forest last night, had a very good sleep, accompanied by the sounds of the rainforest, and I've woken up this morning about 6:30 to come on a forest walk. Now, Gola Forest borders Liberia, and it's the largest forest area in Sierra Leone at 71,000 hectares, and it's also home to over 330 species of bird, so it's an ideal place to come out early morning or late in the evening to take on all the sights and see what species you can spot. We've just come to our first junction in the paths. Towards this way is a grave site for the Gola people who have actually now settled in Liberia. This one is leading towards the hectares, which is on the logo here. It's the national bird of Sierra Leone, which we're very much hoping to see. And they do know the place where it normally nests, so we're heading towards that way. And 1.25 kilometres away is a viewpoint overlooking the forest. This is a pretty epic viewpoint looking over Gola Forest. Towards that way is Liberia, and the cloud is just starting to lift. We can hear all sorts, the black and white Columbus monkeys, the yellow-cast hornbills. What a great way to start my day. Just had a really nice walk out to the viewpoint, and I've come back to a very sizable and delicious looking breakfast which has been cooked by our guide Peter in the outside kitchen over there. I've got boiled yams, fried plantain, cucumber, and then an omelette that he's made, and he's actually used onion leaves inside here. Peter's a brilliant cook, by the way.